Hey guys, Jared, Mazda B3K here. Got a quick one for you. If you're trying to remove the high pressure valve core on your AC system of a 2001 Ford F-250 or similar vehicle, a standard tool is not going to be able to do it, and here's why. If you look very closely here, you see that kind of shoulder right there above the C bracket? It won't fit in a standard high pressure R134A valve core tool. So what I wound up having to do is I took a 5/32 drill and I took a valve core tool I did not care about and I drilled it out. And with the way this one's set up, that worked out pretty decently. And once I did that, I was finally, let's see if I can just feed it in one-handed here, or just set it, there we go. I was able to drop it in and it actually grabbed like it's supposed to. So before, I could not get it to compress enough to go down, and it was because it was not wide enough. So just a little quick one there for you. If you're working on that, I think there is a specific Ford tool because of this problem that Ford made their high pressure valve cores slightly different than standard. Anyway, hope this helps somebody.